Join me as I dive into the Asbp stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode or just fizzle out. Asbp, or ASB Partners, has been making some serious waves in the stock market lately, and for good reason. This company's been on a mission to revolutionize its industry, and investors are taking notice. With a solid business model and a strong leadership team, Asbp's got a lot of potential for growth. If you're not already keeping an eye on this stock, you might want to start. Asbp's facing some tough competition from established players in the market, and that's definitely a challenge they're going to have to overcome. Economic factors like interest rates and market trends are also going to play a big role in determining their future performance. The company's got some major hurdles to clear, but they've already shown they're capable of adapting to changing circumstances. And let's not forget, they've got a loyal customer base that's driving growth. The market's been pretty volatile lately, and Asbp's not immune to that. There are a lot of moving parts that could impact their stock price, from regulatory changes to shifts in consumer behavior. But here's the thing, Asbp's been investing heavily in innovation, and that's starting to pay off. They're making some smart bets on emerging trends, and that could give them a real edge. Their financials are looking pretty solid, with steady revenue growth and a strong balance sheet. Of course, there's always risk involved with any investment, but Asbp's got a lot of things going for it. So what do the experts think? Well, most analysts are cautiously optimistic about Asbp's prospects. They're not predicting a huge explosion in the stock price just yet, but they do think it's a solid long-term play. Recent trends in Asbp's stock price have been pretty interesting. The company's been on a bit of a roller coaster ride, but overall, the trajectory's been upward. Let's take a closer look at their financial reports. According to their latest earnings report, Asbp's revenue is up 20% year-over-year, with a significant increase in profit margins. That's definitely a good sign. Expert opinions on Asbp's stock are varied, but most analysts agree that the company's got a lot of potential. Some are predicting a significant increase in the stock price over the next few quarters, while others are more cautious. One thing's for sure, Asbp's a stock to watch. So what's the key insight here? Well, I think Asbp's poised for a major breakout. Their recent partnerships and investments are going to start paying off in a big way, and I predict we'll see a significant price jump in the coming months. It's not a guarantee, of course, there's always risk involved with any investment, but I think the signs are looking good. To back this up, let's look at some data. Asbp's got a strong track record of innovation, with a portfolio of patents and a robust R&D pipeline. They're also expanding into new markets, which could provide a significant boost to their revenue. All these factors combined suggest that Asbp's stock could be due for a significant increase. In summary, Asbp's a stock that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. The company's got a solid business model, a strong leadership team, and a lot of potential for growth. Of course, there are challenges ahead, but I think Asbp's well positioned to overcome them. So what do you think, guys? Have you been following Asbp stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more stock analysis and tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.